Here's a YZ05 YZ85 cold start. Bike is cold. Cold to the touch. Alright. Let's put that choke up. Prime it a little bit. Oh, I'm wearing flip-flop. As you can see, bike starts first kick. I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit and I'll give you guys a little rev. Show you guys it's a healthy bike. Alright, seems like she's warmed up.